So thank you for interviewing with Oscar Corbett here.
Hello and welcome back to E.O.O, where today we'll be unboxing and testing this 1/22 scale Speedstorm RC car.
So some specifications of this car is that it has 4 independent shock absorbers, wear-resisting tyres, professional motor, and you can play up to 5 cars at once.
So for the design of the box, on the front it's just the standard car on front. Same with the back, it's just standard. On the side it's got other designs, and then on the bottom it does actually have like specifications and the other designs for the Speedstorm.
Right, so let's crack it open.
So in the box you get the car, a spare tyre which we're not quite sure what is for, a USB charging cable for the battery, the instructions and the transmitter.
The car is ready to run apart from you need to supply your 2 AA batteries for the transmitter. So let's undo this screw quickly. Take the battery case off. Supply the 2 AA batteries. Put the case back on and then screw it back in. To install the battery, you just have to undo this small screw. Then insert the battery itself. Plug it in. Put the case back on, then screw the screw back in.
So as I was saying earlier, these are 2 different tyres, and there's only one of them, so it's not like you can like change them all around. Also, this is the transmitter. It's simple forward, backwards, and right and left for the steering wheel. So how to turn on the car? On the back, you can simply see it. It's on/off button right there. On the transmitter, there's actually no switch, so you don't need to do anything for that, and you're ready to go. So we're gonna do a quick race. Yeah, we made a quick drag strip down over there. Yeah, we'll see how fast these Speedstorm will go against the E.O.O in previous video. E.O.O, he's front! E.O.O, he's front! E.O.O! 3, 2, 1, go. E.O.O! He's on the Speedstorm, alright, so you have to find out the outside. And the E.O.O in at second place there. Well, we can get a quick zoom in on the car at the finish. What a win for the Speedstorm, proving that it is faster than the E.O.O. You can check out our previous videos as well for that car as well.
We just took the Speedstorm out into the back one, and then like we're going to show you the course. So this is going to be the start. It goes down like the home straight, and then there's this like U-turn at the top, almost like a little drift section around the cone. Then you come back down the opposite way to where you just come out. There's tiny like slalom, like not much. Take a left hand right corner. Then you've got like a off-road section.
That we're not quite sure if this is gonna be okay for the Speedstorm, but we have it anyway for the test out. Moving further on to another U-turn to hope to get some more drift down there. Then crossing right through the track onto the wide, right around the outside of the main course, all the way around. And then right here we have a small decision maker, so you can go off-road a bit or you can go straight on. So there's like 2 lanes there. Moving onto another off-road section, going right around the inside. There are lots of leaves to block the way. Going right round onto the outside, maybe clipping grass a bit, then straight across the line.
First up is going to be Ewan, so he's going to start like racing on the first go. So I suppose we're just gonna start. So 3, 2, 1, and go. So pass off the right there. Straight up. So do around the drip. So that's the drip. So down here. So they're around the keeping onto the off-road section. We're not actually sure if it's gonna make it. Might just about. Oh yes, it proves strong. Car has made it around. Did a little U-turn up and across the track again. Around the little just like thin part of the course. I was at the beach. You might have to flip over. Nice. So it chose to go straight away. The section. And around the more narrow part of the course. Little car spin. And right. So how did you find the course, like round this track?
Yeah, it's like a good course, like brand new course for the faster car here. Quite a big course as well, but made it round really quickly, so quite happy about that. So yeah.
So like I didn't think it was gonna make it over the off-road section. Like how did it handle over there?
Yeah, off-road section you need to pick where you're gonna go probably before. So yeah, it went quite well again, so yeah. Right, so we got Oscar next for the course. Let's get going in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, quick start then. Up, and straight away going all the way to the top round to the drift zone. Nice quick drift there. Going back down all the way down. Touch chain. Making a quick go at this. And making it round the off-road section. Is he gonna get stuck? He has a bit. Tyre spinning there. Can he make it up? Gonna have to give it a quick. Around, right round on the outside there, coming through. All the way round, taking the outside shot, and he's got stuck for the first time. Onto the off-road section now. Gonna make a nice round section, kind of missing out there. Ooh, almost getting stuck. Right, and across the line. So how did you find the new round the course?
Yeah, it's a really good course. I mean, like, obviously designed by me, you, and Robert. I mean, like, I think the off-road section's like really good. I mean, I got stuck there, and I got stuck a bit on the narrow part because like ledge. But yeah, I think it's really good. Like how like all the twists and turns and all that.
Yeah. Also, how do you think you find like the drift section and the U-turn?
Yeah, like they're kind of my favourite parts. I think the U-turn might have been a bit tight, but we could have adjusted that, but chose not to. But I like the way like the cone was there and how like you have to like drift as much as possible really around the corner.
Yeah.